Several inches of snowfall along the Cape over the past 24 hours. This is the result of a car versus snowplow, with the car pretty banged up. Today, Department of Public Works trucks in Plymouth are busy loading up on salt and sand.
Our crews will come in and pre-treat all of our roads.
Although a Saturday snow event helps, with more than 400 miles of road and at least a foot of snow predicted, they're asking people to stay off the roads if possible.
We are putting a parking ban in effect for downtown Plymouth, which will happen at 8 o'clock tomorrow night and run through 7 o'clock Sunday morning.
Just down the road, the Morrison Power Equipment repair shop is busy. Lots of rush orders to fix snowblowers.
Take it out, start it, make sure it runs. Don't wait till it snows.
So this one here is...
Maureen Doran isn't waiting. She's getting a crash course on operating her brand new blower.
So I have no idea how to run it. And so I'm just really nervous. We had one before, but I was nervous about that too. And I'm kind of klutzy. And that's my main concern is the driver because it's 200 feet long uphill.
No fun there. All right, both Eversource and National Grid tell us they will have extra crews on standby. Live along Route 3 in Plymouth, Nicole Burley, WCVB News Center 5.